Okay, I'm just doing this video to show you all how I store my seafood in the refrigerator. Okay, so first I'm going to put on the bottom of the bowl. Okay. Then I'm going to put this in. Then put some ice on top of that. Don't want to come out. Put some more ice on top of it. Okay. Put some more shrimp. Shrimp. Okay. And we're going to put ice on top of it. Let's see what we have. Yeah, this is basically what I do. This is how I store it in the refrigerator. When you get seafood from the seafood counter that's thawed out, you should cook it the same day that you buy it, or buy it frozen until you get ready to thaw it out to cook it. So yeah, this is kind of how I would do it. I need to put some ice on top, and then I pretty much be all done, and I'll just store this in the refrigerator until I get ready to cook this in about an hour or so. Yeah. Pour some more ice, but the ice is stuck. But yeah, so what? Then I have some more ice to go over the top. And then I will, just put this in the fridge until I get ready to use this, cook these shrimp in about an hour. And this is how you should put your seafood in the refrigerator until you get ready to cook it. And don't let it stay in the fridge too long. Cook it before it goes bad. But I'm just gonna leave this in here for about an hour. Then I'm about to cook these shrimps and these lobster tails and make me some shrimp and lobster fried rice. So you all need to make sure you check that video out, and make sure you all subscribe to my channel, share my videos, subscribe, share, subscribe. Check you later.